Today, we are going to show you how to go from this to this.
Cost effectively.
Cost effectively. So today we are putting these circle things
Center caps for the wheels.
on, or we're putting stickers on these things.
Yeah, so this is what came with the wheels that you saw in the previous video. And I wanted the ones that said Ford Performance, but the real Ford Performance ones are $50 a center cap, and they don't fit the wheel. So I got these. I think they were $10 for 4. And
We'll link the description. The link down below.
yeah, we got to remember to do that. Yeah, we're
And
gonna
the
do
stickers.
that. Oh, like and subscribe, because we got to say
Oh,
that
yeah.
again.
Like
make
and
sure you like
subscribe.
and subscribe.
These are the
Stickers.
They're actually very thick, as you can hopefully see.
I was gonna spray paint clear over them, but we'll see how it comes out first. And then just to show you, it says that they fit American Muscle wheels only, but if we look, move this on the side, put more stickers, put the one in there. And you can see it fits. There's like, if you're directly on top of it, because it's flat and the other one was curved, there's a little gap, but you really can't see. We'll get a better picture at the end when everything's done. But let's go see if we can get these stickers on and how they look.
Ow!
We had an injury. All right.
Do you want me to hold the camera?
I guess.
Okay.
So I'm gonna wipe down. This is live. We haven't done one yet. So
Hopefully it goes well.
It's pressure. I did buy extra stickers because it was free shipping if you got $35 worth. I think the stickers, they weren't expensive, so I got 2 sets of the stickers. All right, we wipe that off. Probably should
It's very
use
wet.
microfiber. Yeah, I can try it. I wish I had a microfiber. I do, just not here. I just take a paper towel, wipe that off.
Doesn't seem like you're very prepared. Oh, I have the same screwdriver at work.
How cool is that? I'm not very prepared.
Wow, look how shiny that is. You can see the ceiling.
Really?
Yeah, you can see the reflection.
Oh wait, I think part of the ceiling just because it got all dusty again. You need like one of those science things, like it's like a vacuum in there. It looks dirtier than when we started.
Yeah, it does look worse than we started. Maybe don't try to wipe it off before you put the sticker on.
You definitely should wipe it off. I think it's just like the dust from the ceiling.
Make sure you're in a clean area.
It's like a screen protector. Yeah, we need the what's it called? The thing that you like work under. And it's like so you don't breathe in the chemicals.
Yeah, I don't know the name for that. If you know the name, comment it down below.
And I was a biology major too.
Turn black. All right, there we go. Well, obviously it didn't teach you too much.
Did not. I was not a fan of lab. I feel like this is going quite poorly so far. Well, this is why you watch the video, to find out. Maybe you do this in
maybe you shouldn't do this.
cleaner area. Alright, let's wipe this down. Nice and shiny. Probably don't need to do this. I'm trying to do precautions. Alright. That looks pretty good.
It's as good as it's gonna get.
That's the quality that we offer. As good as it's gonna get. The beauty about these is you don't have to line anything up besides the edges because the wheel spins. So, little fun fact if you didn't know. So, stick that on. Alright. So there it is. Actually, I don't even think it really needs paint, to be honest. Sticker fits well. It's a nice thick one. You can kind kind of see there. I'll try to get it. But yeah, so this would probably cost the price of one. It fits those wheels. And yeah.
Wow, yeah, this is really nice.
Yeah. So
Would recommend. 10 out of 10.
let's put it in one of the wheels and we'll show what it looks like. So we'll be back in 2 seconds.
Comment below if you like my my new hairstyle. I saw a tutorial online. I didn't really do it too good. But yeah, I did 2 braids and then I put it underneath and then clipped it in the back, like underneath. But yeah, I think it's my new hairstyle.
I like it. I think it looks good.
It's a little messy
same
now,
hairstyle.
because it's later in the day.
Same hairstyle.
Maybe you should change up your hairstyle. Comment below. Maybe we should do like a mohawk or maybe like a bowl cut.
A bowl cut? Alright, if this video gets 1,000 likes.
Or a buzz cut. You'll
2,000 likes for a buzz
2,000
cut.
likes. I will do a buzz cut. Bowl cut, 1,000 likes.
When you go full influencer mode. If this video gets
Which I don't think we're
100,000
gonna
likes,
get that
I'll push
many
my
likes,
grandmother
but-
down the stairs. That's full influencer mode.
And green hair for 3,000 likes.
If this video gets 1 like, I'll like kill a kid. Like, all right. I don't know. Comment below if you think Chip needs to clean up the workplace.
All right. So you're putting the wheel right there.
All right. 3, 2, 1. So I wanted to mention too. I don't know if I said it before because I have short-term memory, I guess. But the stickers are 2.51 inches, and we got them on Etsy, so we'll have to put a link there. And the center cap is
You bought them on Etsy? I didn't know that.
yeah, I did. I actually was looking for this for a while because I was trying to do this, and no one did it. And finally, like, I was about to purchase just black ones that said Ford, and then I found this.
But those are too small, right? The black ones that are Ford.
The Ford Performance ones are too small. So, yeah. And then the actual center cap I think is 2.5 inches. But so, like, I guess there's like, I mean, if you're a machinist, there might be a hair of overhang, maybe like right on that one. But it's pretty good, I would say. So now, if anyone doesn't know how to undo the center cap, I will attempt to show you. So you pinch the back here, and you kind of just push. So now it's out. I have to say, that took a lot longer off the camera. So that actually went very well. So now we'll put the new center cap in. Gotta push these little thick clips. Alright. So it's all in.
Oh, that looks good.
And that's what it looks like. So what I was saying with like a little bit of a gap,
Why does it keep twisting?
I don't know why it's spinning. That might just be like how the camera looks.
Um,
But if you look, like if you're right on top of it, you can see there's a little bit of a gap, but it's not going anywhere. But like when you're far away, you can't even.
yeah, you're never gonna be able.
Yeah,
to
you would have to.
tell.
If someone's that close to your car, ask them to stand back. So, but yeah, I was gonna put clear paint over it, but it really doesn't feel like it needs it. It's a nice shiny finish.
Yeah, I think that looks good
And
like
this
that.
was the old one.
Old one, new one.
Yeah, so that's one way to get the look. So the wheels cost less. Oh, okay.
Oh God, I think there's a ghost in here.
It's raining down here, or yeah, where there's a ghost. All right, I guess that's it, right?
Yeah. Well, I hope you like this. Ow.
On the other hand, be careful.
I hope you enjoyed the video.
Remember, 1 like for was it kitten or?
No, not that one.
No, okay.
1,000 likes for the buzz cut.
Okay.
2,000 for the bolt cut. Or maybe it was the other way around. $3,000 for green hair.
Like and subscribe.
So yeah. All right. Bye.